Hello, good evening, my people. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Good evening, my lovely people. Is your girl, is your Lady Joy Show. You're all welcome, you're all welcome, you're welcome. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all, my people, my lovely people. I appreciate everybody. You that help me to share, you that help me to like. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Please help me to always share this video so that we will have more people. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do that, God will bless you all. Please share this video, invite more people. We need more people to come. We need more people to come before we start. So before we start, I believe say many people that they see our topic for this, so we go discuss a lot of things today. Thank you for joining. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday to you all. So invite people, share the video because it's very important for you to help me to share the video. Thank you. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depends of your country. Thank you for joining. So before we start, we would like to play this our Edo music, our national anthem. So it's very important for you to promote your state or your language or your region. So if you know say you from our region and you have any music like this, we can still play it because we are all one. We do things together. You understand? So if you know say you still be artist, especially where they sing, you get music and you want make people hear the music, still send that for Lady Joy. Go still help you play the music. Thank you so much. Good evening. Thank you for joining. You understand? We are all one. So we have a movement called Sasat People Movement. So if you are interested, if you want to join, please don't forget to inbox me on my WhatsApp number so that we can discuss. And January 31st, we are going to do giveaway in this platform. We are going to it's not people in diaspora, people in Nigeria. We want to give to people that did not have. And if you know you have, please don't take that money. January 30th, we are going to share money for people that is really need money, that is lacking. That is the people we want to give, please. And if you know that you are interested and you want to support Lady Joy, because I'm the one that wants to give. So if you know you want to support, just call me. One brother have called me yesterday that is going to support by January. So let us help our people. Let us help our region. It's very, very important because our leaders, they have failed. They don't fail. So since they don't want change, the one where we go fit do, maybe they try to do one. Since they say they don't want help their citizen, the one where we go fit do as a region or as a sister or as a brother, we go do one. Any comments today, any yahoo comment, na to just remove them for the platform. Now waiting we start today. Any bad comments, we will take you away from here because we don't have room for nonsense. So if you know say you dey interested for that giveaway we want to do on the 31st of January 2021, inbox Lady Joy. Thank you. So before we start, let us play this music before we go to our topic. Please share this video. I know say they pay some people as they play this music, eh?
The ancient city is calling. Oh, arise, sons and daughters of the land. The king of the city is marching. Stand up high to the pride of the land. The founding fathers have labored, and our time to serve is now. The glory of the new Edo nation will forever be our pride. Beautiful Edo.
Edo is beautiful. Edo is a beautiful place.
Of Nigeria, beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. Stars are singing over
Yes, so Edo worldwide. Edo, glorious Edo.
You're the heartbeat of Nigeria.
The heartbeat of Nigeria, Edo State. That is great Benin. May they give us chance.
Stars are singing over you. You're the land people dream to be. Tonight, the glory of the new Edo nation will forever be our pride. Beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. You're the heartbeat of Nigeria. Beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. Stars are singing over you. You're the land people dream to be. Our treasures are found in all nations, and our greatness is second to none. Our history forever shall be written, how our kings have endured all times. A people culture in unity, our hearts beat for the land. Rich culture, stories of heroes, legacies.
Thank you. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. You're the heartbeat of Nigeria. Beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. Stars are singing over you. You're the land people dream to be. Unite and stand with each other. Forgive and let it go. Together we can stand, come what may. And the future lies in us. Teach our children to teach their children what our fathers taught. To fear and love the Creator. Only then shall we succeed. Beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. You're the heartbeat of Nigeria. Beautiful Edo, glorious Edo. Stars are singing over you. You're the land people dream to be.
So thank you so much. Thank you. Please, let's share this video. Let's invite our brothers and sisters. Somebody said I should invite him, but it's not going, no answer. So my people, my lovely people, my country people, the only people that I love, people that love me, I love them back. If you don't love me, I don't love you. As far as say you not be God, where they decide for person, only God. Now they decide for person life. You understand? So my topic today, I believe so many people don't they see my topic today. My topic is a very strong topic today, because if we be say we they see many things where they happen, we know what they talk about, and it will be like say maybe with the fear, or maybe we don't want to talk about them, but sometimes we'll still they talk about them. What we won't try to discuss today be say our people will be say that they blame our that they blame our elders, that they blame our traditional rulers, saying that them be the problem of Nigeria. They are not the problem of Nigeria. The problem of Nigeria is our leaders, is our so-called leaders. Now them be our problem. And we know these things. Everybody know those things. Una go like to they put out for traditional people heads, saying that them be the problem. Okay, number one, may I ask this question? See, una the canon now where he say he won't come repair Nigeria, he won't change the situation of Nigeria, he won't let Nigeria better pass America. As a good leader, Abi, fine. Now everybody clap for her. Everybody follow her. Everybody constant say, this man just the come, he won't come repair Nigeria, he won't come change our bad leaders. He won't come outside as a good leaders. But we don't know say it go even worse past our leaders where we even say they're not good. It was past them. That is why before you the judge person, you go first look yourself first before you the judge person. Before you judge person, say this person is not good. First look your side. You as a leader, you call yourself now as a leader. You never ever did the post. You never even enter president. You never even enter governor. See what you are doing. See what you they do. Now what it make people stand for you that time. Now what it make everybody clap for you. Now what it make everybody support you, because the way Nigeria is going, they are not our leaders. They have already failed us. That is why you see when you can't come, you say you want to change Nigeria. You want to make Nigeria be a better place. Now everybody take clap follow you. But it get where they can't clap follow you reach. They can't say even this person where would they follow they go self. If we even stand for it, we ever pass our leaders where we get for Nigeria. So, what it make me they talk about this thing? So, we need to wise. We need to open our eye. Because if you say person no good, you won't come be good person. You go make sure say you fair look your left, you look your right, you look your back, you look your front. You see say yes, you can certify people, you can make people okay before you come out to say you are a leader. Not be say they go just bring you wake up say I be leader, I want to control people. Before you control people, you need to work towards it. Before you direct people, you need to work towards it. We say people no good, we say our leaders no good. We dey find another better leader wey go help us. We not even know say the leaders wey we ever choose now the one wey go ever kill, the one that will kill your people, that will send your people early grave. But today, many people, they know the truth, but they don't stand for the truth. That is why you see today, Nigeria is not working. Nigeria not the work because I talk every time for my program, say the problem of Nigeria, now we the youth, now be the problem of Nigeria. Some people go, they say, not be we, now our leaders. Because you will be leaders now, you won't come correct. You won't correct our leaders where they don't shop our money, where they don't pay for our land. You even do the worst. You are doing the worst. Number one, we complain that Nigeria leaders, Nigeria government, Nigeria president, Nigeria governor, they don't take care of their citizens. They don't work towards anything, no light, no road, nothing. We are complaining about them. And somebody just wake up to say, okay, you people should not worry. I'm going to subdue all those our bad leaders. At the end, they are failed. They don't fail. They don't fail. That is why anything where they do for this life, they do well. In case of tomorrow. Because many people don't they follow this una ladder. Many people don't they follow and they go. They don't they watch his step. They don't they watch his staircase. They don't see say no road. No road. Now they shift back. They draw back because wetin make many people see they clap, they follow her based on say all those one, they don't brainwash their head. They don't even think about their sense again. Before Ushemefo even can decide, say no, we must turn back. Now they leak secrets. Now they talk everything where they pass through. Now they you get one video. I don't even know whether I will see that video again. I for player one brother with dey Germany, one Igbo brother with dey Germany. I forget his name. The way he talk, he say even himself, he blame Ushemefo because Ushemefo were one of those people that was deceiving people. They were deceiving people, and they know the truth. That they know say they already fail. Nothing good is coming out of it. They know, but they were still deceiving people. There is one man too, whether in London, where do one video that time. I even post the video for my page where the man say even this Biafra, so the UN. They don't even know about it. Even the America, they don't even know about it. People come, they say, that man has saboteur. I don't know what thing they do. Because people don't like the truth. When you say the truth, people will not love you. People will not like you, but when you are lying, everybody want to see you. Because they don't really know that you are lying. They think that maybe you are saying the truth. If you go to a different platform today now, people will be saying that the traditional ruler that is in Nigeria, they are the one eating the money. They are the one they refuse to talk to our leaders. They refuse to talk to our governor. They refuse to talk to our president. You that is talking to our our traditional rulers, why can't you come out to talk to this your leader that have already failed? All the old promise he promised you people. This is what our leader is still doing in Nigeria. This is what they are still doing in Nigeria. That is why you see today Nigerian citizens, they are suffering. They are suffering. The way they are just doing it now. They will be playing people. We are going to change the story of Nigeria. We are going to change the economic of Nigeria. When this one comes, and Nigeria is going to be great. When this one comes, Nigeria is going to be this. And you are not even doing anything. You are not even working towards it. They collect bribe. They bribe even all those our politicians. They are bribing you. You call yourself as a leader. You want to change the situation of Nigeria, which is not truth. How you go take deceive people? You get where you go deceive people rich where they not go wise. Una don't already fail. Una know you they disgrace una self again for social media. May una join Lady Joy. May we join hands together. May we fight for restructuring. Mona all those noise when I use they make so Mona throw away all those things because it not get same. Now never get where to now they talk again. Go to their platform now. You will be hearing them. They will be saying that the security, the Eastern security, we are going to donate money for we to pay those people. Is that what you continue before? Is that what you said you are going to? Is that what you promised your people? Is that what you said that you are going to change Nigeria a better place? So let's be truthful, my people. Don't just let somebody to sit down in one place to be deceiving you. They don't already fail. Now me they talk and they always they talk and say anything where they do and hide. Nobody know. One day, God must surely leak your secrets. If God knows say that thing where you do, not be waiting to favor people and you they deceive people, God will leak your secrets. God will open your nyash. That is why you get one sing where they sing like this, say you cannot hide it for God. You can hide it for Lady Joy. You can hide it for your followers. But you know if you hide that for God, because one day God will expose you. That is why you desist today. So people, they go they thief. God go they want they say change. They not go change. But one day small thief, now they all go thief like this, they'll just catch them. You go come say, I be done the thief big one before. They never catch me. Why they can't catch me for this small one? So who are you deceiving? Why are you deceiving our people? You deceive them. You take them to belong to where they did not belong to. Because of you want to change the situation of Nigeria. Because of our leaders in Nigeria, they are not doing fine. They are not doing good. Everybody, we know. We know. But we need real person. Real man, we go really stand for us for that Nigeria. Not be all those people where they go they take bribe for back. Una go they cry for social media. Fulani want to kill us. The governors, the leaders, Buhari they are eating our money. But at the end, you are the one collecting money for those people. At the end, you are the one they are bribing you because of your selfish interest. And your people are dying. People have been dying because of those things that is going on. But you are okay, you are comfortable. People are still giving you money. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Why are we deceiving ourselves? There is nothing you will hide under the tree that one day will not leak. The secret have leaked. You people not level again. Go to any platform now. You don't even see any good thing. Nothing. Their topic now that people should come and be donating money that they want to give money to Eastern Security Network. People have donated money for long. Donated money. Those money, why can't you use it to help your people? You have people in this East that is suffering, that is hungry. They cannot even eat a day. Why can't you assist them with those money? Why can't you show yourself as a good leader? Why can't you show yourself so that people will know that, if this person really stay as a leader, it is going to favor everybody. What are you doing? Like now, as I'm here now, I did here now as a Lady Joy, we get South people movement. We stand to help our region. So tomorrow now, when we are having money to help our region, those money we will not be using it to help them. Somebody will just sit there in one corner to be eating those money. Do you think that people will be happy? The answer is no. The good thing that you do, the good thing where you don't do, now it will make you be a leader where you be. Not be the bad thing, not be people who they look. Now the good thing where you don't bring come outside. Our leaders don't fail. See what's happen for a Orion now. He grade road. He grade road where government supposed to grade. Road where our governor, our senator, our local government chairman, they are there, they are eating money. But they refuse to do it. Because they know that if they don't do it, nobody that will come and ask them. That is why they are doing all those things. So that is why if they say Nigeria not good, we know what is the solution. What is the way forward? What will be the plan where you get for your people as a leader? You are a leader, there is no problem. What do you have for your people? What you don't do for your region? How many things, how many bag of rice you load for this Christmas? Go give them for your region as a leader. Say, Mona, take this rice. Now, what will take support una be this one? If una leader call una the can, if you carry three trailer, if you carry three trailer, go share for East. Not be bad thing. Why are you clapping? You are clapping. Una they clap for where? I don't even see where una they clap put. Because all those things where they do it for interest. How we go take continue like this till they deceive our people for long? You have been deceiving these people for long. And you know that this thing is not going anywhere. You are still doing it. Una see the do continue like this. And we say our leader is not good. The people that want to fight for us, that they say they want to change the situation of Nigeria, they are even worse than our leaders. Una worse past our leaders. That is why you see say Lady Joy day here, they cry for restructuring. May they break that 1999 constitution so that make every state they control resources. Because I believe say if every state they control resources, things go better past this one we do. May we not just pull up. May one person you can tell us say if I just come for governor or if I come for president, I will change the situation of Nigeria. Those people they don't do anything. They are not doing anything. Just can you imagine and say this one way they call itself leader now, he just enter governor or he enter president. Do you think that Nigeria is not going to be worse more than this? So what are we saying? Without that 1999 constitution, or they should restructure the country, Nigeria is not going anywhere. I always said it. Even though we have pastor in that country, it will not go anywhere because that constitution is still working upon them. It's not going anywhere. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Everybody just they happy. So okay, we don't see people where go help us. So now make people run follow this leader. Now make people run follow her. Every day you shout on social media and when they kill us, Fulani. We know that Fulani is our problem. What is your solution? What is your solution? What are you working towards it? Okay, Ibuari is doing this one. Ibuari is not good. They are eating our money. They are everybody, even though Pikin where they never born today. We know say Nigeria, that country, now one kind of country where we don't understand. But you where you call yourself as a leader, what is your effort? Not be woman now from Edo State. He go grade the village. He carry grader, he pay money for her. They grade the village, he go grader. How many place una leader, one they call leader? How many place in don't grade for 5 states where una get? How many place in don't give people money? Say okay, Mona take this money, I will use and support una as a leader. How many company he don't create as a leader? Say okay, this one na my leader na he create her. He say make people they work for you. How many? Before you talk about people that people is not good, you will make a good example first. Make a good example. Let people see that this person don't try. No, this man try. For how many years we take fight for this struggle? He try. See what he don't do for him Enugu State, or see what he don't do for Anambra State. You understand? How are we going to continue? How we going to continue like they know they work? It's not working. When you go to social media today, you will hear our Bini brother, our Bini sister, and the traditional rulers. The traditional rulers, they don't have any problem with politics. They don't get problem with politics. It not concern they concern politics. You don't ever see where they vote one day. They can't tell you say one shift now you go there, go vote. Now the shift now everybody vote for. The answer is no. Have you ever seen in any state or in any region, have you ever seen that they are voting, they invite chief, or they invite Igwe, or they invite Obi, or they invite Oba, go there, say make it come vote? No. They don't have any business with them. So why people will just come out on social media, our traditional rulers, they are eating our money, they are the problem of Nigeria. They are not the problem of Nigeria. It's me and you, now be the problem of Nigeria. Just the way una leader come out now say he be leader, he won't change the situation of Nigeria. At the end, what una profit for inside? At the end, what una gain? Our people now when still they suffer, whether they manage, they go still they donate. They donate every time, every month, they donate money. Not that those people they are okay. What are you donating the money for? When you are donating money, if I say, okay, my people, I need money, I believe that people will ask me, Lady Joy, this money that you need now, what are you going to use it for? You cannot ask, but tomorrow you will come on social media to come and be saying the traditional ruler, the Igwe, the Alba, they shop money, they eat Nigerian money.
3. Now,
are we going to continue like that?
8, 0, 3.
Hello?
Pronto?
Pronto?
Joy? Ciao, Joy.
Ciao, scusa, mi chiamo dopo?
Tra quanto?
Forse 5 minuti.
Tra 5 minuti, ok.
Sì, grazie mille. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Sorry, my people. So, are we going to continue like that? May we make, if you want to call yourself a leader, you need to make a good example. You bring out good example, bring out good ideas, so that people that is going with you, they will be happy. They will be happy, even though people they against yourself. Now they go stand for you. So no, what is this our leader don't do? He don't try. He don't do things for our people, for our region. But you are shouting on social media. Fulani is disturbing our mothers. Fulani is disturbing our sister. You cannot discuss on social media that your mother and your father, your sister, your cousin, they are hungry. I never hear that for their mouth one day. Say their region, say their people, they hungry. Say hungry won't kill them. Nale Fulani, they are raping our women. They are doing this, they are doing that. If you want to be a leader, you fight for a good leader. Because Nnamdi Kanu no fight for good leader. Now, because you see, say, he don't fail. He don't fail. Even people where they follow her, they don't run, leave her. All of them don't come out. All those things, all those money where they achieve, what did they use and do? That is why you see, when Lady Joy, they say, may we stand for restructuring. Una say, I don't know what they talk. Even though Oyedukpo, a pastor of whether Redeem or something like that, if he come as a president today, he will do the worst. Because that constitution where they did there, they not break and come out. Nigeria is not going anywhere. It's not going, because we need to really say the truth. Some people, I saw one comment, somebody were asking me that, what Nnamdi Kanu do you? Where they say you always talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, because where they talk about Nigeria, say Nigeria don't spoil. May we join hands together. Now we all go still repair Nigeria. They go say no, say we are no more Nigeria again. We are no more one Nigeria again. It's only you that is Nigeria. We are not fighting for one Nigeria again. That Nigeria is me and you that is going to join hands together to settle that country. Many people just there, we just there now, we just there abroad, we just there happy, they dance, they happy, say, thank God say I dey Europe. You thank God say you dey Europe. Not forget, say one day, this Europe where you dey, so you go still buy ticket, you go your country. But if you still dey the way it dey, so go from Lagos to Benin, it's very difficult for you to pass. From Lagos to Benin, it's very difficult for you to pass, because many people, we are just saying that a Fulani Esme, they are killing people. We know that, but many people that is even hiding under Fulani Esme. We different language. The Igbos dead, the Benin dead, the Isha, different language. They hide under Fulani Esme. If they do, you go to say na Fulani Esme they do. You understand? Those people, they do things when they don't do nothing, they catch them. If you don't catch them, you come they ask, they say, where you for come? Where be your state? Where be your name? Now you come they know say, this level not be only Fulani they inside though. Igbo people they inside, Benin people they inside, Yoruba people they inside, but they will put everything on top of Fulanis. Because I say, go and lock that door for me now. You understand? They will place the blame for Fulani Esme, saying, now that be the problem of Nigeria, now that be this one, now that be. It's not like that. It not be like that. all those people now, where be say that they clap, they follow Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, our leader, our leader. Since Nnamdi Kanu don't fuck up, now we be say don't go down. How many of them come out for social media to come correct that man? Say, wait till you they do leader, you not doing well, because they are scared. They are scared. Nobody want to say the truth. They fear, because they know say if they're talking like that, all those things where they gain, they can never gain it again. They can never see all those things again. As a leader, he not get where he be say if leader fuck up, you go still treat it fuck up. You tell us say leader, not be so you promise us, not be so you tell us say this thing will come end at last. How many people go feel speak? People will not speak. They will not speak, because this life, if you know they talk lie, people will not love you.